Seventh problem, locate root 10 on number line. For locating this root 10 on number line, we have to draw number line. So let us draw the number line. So this is the number line. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So in step 1, what we have done? First, we have drawn a number line. Draw a number line. Next, from 0, we will draw a rectangle. In step 2, draw a rectangle OABC with center or at 0. From 0 we are drawing this rectangle. Next, with measures. So what are the measures? Length. So length is equals to 3 units and breadth is equals to 1 unit. So this is 3 unit and it is 1 unit. From this is O, A, B, C. Next, in step 3, let us draw an diagonal. Let us draw the diagonal OB. From O to B, this is our diagonal. In step 4, we will draw an arc. So draw an arc from center O and radius OB. So when we draw an arc from O and OB taking as radius, so we will get this arc. So this arc is cutting the number line at D. So which cuts the number line at D. Step 5. So what is this D? D is representing root 10 on this number line. So the D is nothing but root 10. D represents root 10 on number line. Yes, from this figure we can see that this is a right angle triangle. So OBA is a right angle triangle. Here it is 90 degrees. So we can write, according to Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem comes in 10th class, so that's why you need not to worry about that. Let us write hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. So what is this hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is this line OB. So OB square. Opposite is in front of this angle what is the line? AB. So AB square, adjacent is this line. So the length of this line OA. So OB square is equals to AB is how much? 1. OA is 3. So 3 square. So OB square is equals to 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. OB is equals to 9 plus 1 is 10. So OB, when we send this square to that side, it will become root 10. So OB is equals to root 10. So this arc which we have taken is of root 10 value.